tama, wala, no? So far. Ongoing, pero may report, di ba, na so far wala.
Yeah. But ongoing raw, but so far wala naman nakikitang.
Yun nga, in the same way that I want to be fair to the Dutertes in Davao, I want to be fair to the Marcoses in the Ilocos, and I want you to be fair to the Cayetanos in Taguig, di ba? And the way to do that nga is one, kuna na lahat, di ba? Kasi yung iba I think ridiculous din naman yung iba na sinasabing humahataw ngayon. Kasi kung bayad ka na for the whole, hindi mo naman kayang gawin ng 1, 2, 3 buwan yun di ba? So obviously, sex a day, di ba? Obviously, kung ghost, ngayon mo palang ginagawa, nakita mo 20%, may picture ka 20%, ghost pa rin yun. Ngayon mo lang ginagawa, bayad ka na ng 100% di ba? So obvious naman yun. But the longer period na wala kayong database, mas magsususpetsa ang mga tao. I'll give you an example. If Sekwin and I were mortal enemies, and we were from the same province or the same municipality, city, and he was congressman, I was mayor, naghahanap na ako kung may ghost siya, naghahanap na siya sa akin kung may ghost. Ang problema, kung hindi kami honest, mag-iimbento kami. So lalong nakakagulo, di ba? Walang problema kung kukunan ko lahat ng project niya, siya mayor, kinunan ko lahat. Alam ko kung may gusto, kinunan niya lahat sa akin. Walang problema kung ganun Yun nga ang problema. The people trust a few people. You're blessed beings because they trust you. But the trust can run out di ba? Okay, last question on the flood control. What is the present theory ngayon ng gobyerno? What's the criminal conspiracy? Kasi in every major criminal conspiracy, there is a theory. A case theory. Wala na, no? Wala na tayo. We're okay. Kanina na ba yan? Mga projects na naman. Pero lahat ng university kasi siguro mag-aagay. Sabog yung mga department orders. Hindi mo makakagat. So, hindi ko naka-practical yan. Right?
Working theory is mayroong intention may intention na gumawa ng ghost project at binayaran po yung contractor or yung mga taong nasa loob ng DPWH na gumawa ng ghost project.
Yeah. It's almost 2 a.m. So, and you've been very patient with me, and I know it's a complex thing, but can I give my 2 cents just because of 2 reasons? One, hindi pwedeng walang theory. Hindi pwedeng walang working theory, case theory. 2, so far, ang narinig ko pa lang sa gobyerno ay si President Marcos at si Vince Dizon na nagsabing, be patient, gawin ng tama para sigurado yung kaso. Tama? I mean, there might be 1 or 2 more. Pasensya na po kayo, secretaries, whoever. Baka may nagsabing 2 or 3 more, but you're in the minority. Everyone else, including the ICC tuloy ako, but ICI, pag maingay, file na natin. Ang problema, paano pag nag-iba theory mo? So kasi iba yung theory na, alam nyo lahat sila corrupt, nagkasabay-sabay lang. Yung theory, may corrupt na engineer, district engineer, kinausap yung USEC kinausap to. Iba din yung theory na, meron sa gobyernong na to, minapya siya. Iba din yung alam ng senador na ghost sa hindi alam ng senador. Alam ng congressman na ghost na hindi. And the problem is, pag nag-iiba theory mo, iba yung fa-file mo. So, ang nangyayari, as people come out, diba, so tinanong kanina ni Senator Cheese, bakit kinasuhan yung isang high-level official, si Speaker Martin. I didn't catch the whole answer, no? But we were talking about Gutesa. So, yun ang problema. Everyone is saying, pag hindi ka under oath, walang value yon. Tama yung mga nagsabing walang probative value. Kasi probative value is the value in court of how true and how efficient, how credible the evidence is. But when you say no value, may value. Lahat ng magsalita, may value. Bakit? It's a lead. So kung magsalita si Engineer Bryce, assistant, at mali, nililigaw tayo. Kung tama, it's a good lead, sundan mo. Pagsalita si Zaldico, it's a lead. May value siya. I'm not saying it's true. And most people who will talk will have half-truths. Jokes and accusation have to be half-true. A joke, especially if it's sarcasm, na walang half-truth, di ba? So pag sinabi nilang the late Alang Cayetano, kasi parati akong late, kaya nakakatawa kasi talagang nalilate ako. Kung hindi ako nalilate, hindi nakakatawa, di ba? Kasi parang ininsulto niyo ako, napapatayin niyo na ako, bakit nalate Alang Cayetano? Di ba? Sorry, si Senwin always laughs at my joke eh. Kaya si Senwin at si
Ako lang talaga tumatawa sa joke niyo.
Kahit buo tayo mga senador, Senwin, kaya malakas ka sa akin eh. So, ganun din sa accusations eh. Half-truths get people steered. And ang problema, nung araw may referee. There are advocates, political analyst, etc. Ngayon, panay influencer eh. Dean ng law school, alam niyang mali eh. Pero dahil galit siya doon o dito siya sa panig, imamali nila. So ngayon, pag sinabing isa, so don't get me wrong ha, tama yung iba nagsalita dito na hindi under oath, walang probative value. Pero yung iba sa internet, sa vlog, sa news, walang value yun. Oh, hindi walang value, lead yun eh. Major player yun eh. Di ba? So ngayon, kung hindi ako under oath, pero sabihin ko sa inyo, alam niyo kailan nag-umpisa yan? Nag-umpisa yan ganito. Kasi yung mga projects na yan, inutang. Pero eto kasi nag-a-advance. O walang value yon. Hindi ba mabubuo niyo yung theory kung maririnig niyo yung ganon? O, ngayon, what if it's hearsay? What is hearsay? Hindi ako, it's not my personal knowledge na nangutang at nag-advance. Pero it's not hearsay. If I hear it from someone, it's hearsay. So, if they say, Zaldi nag-a-advance, sinabi kay A, kausap ko si A. It's hearsay as to Zaldi. But it's not hearsay as to Alan and A. So, pag sinabi ni A sa akin, pare, kaya nagkaganyan yan. Kasi si ganito, nag-a-advance. Yan, 15. Ang problema, naging 20. Kasi ang ginawa nila, tinanggalan nila lahat ng district, tapos binenta nila yung project. And nagkaroon ng idea to ngayon, district engineer. Kung ganyan din lang kalaki, wag na natin gawin yung project. So that's what I meant, na dapat may theory at dapat may value. So I'll stop here and medyo mahaba na yung sinabi ko, but I hope, Sec Vince, nakatulong to. Maybe not in the short term, but in the long term, 2 years from now, pinag-uusapan natin dalawa. Sinong nakulong? At kung tama, di ba? Kung tama yung mga nakulong na pagbintangan, if justice was done and accountability, but 2, may nagawa ba DPWH? So kung walang napakulong, lahat tayo, hindi maniniwala sa atin ng tao. Mawawalan kumpiyansa. Pero kung may nakulong, pero yung mga project na dapat natin ginawa, hindi natin ginawa. Di ba? So, can I have that as a last question? Dun sa lahat ng reform na sinasabi mo, and I'm for it yung kalahati, etc. Magbibid ba yung mga contractor? So far ba may indication kayo na no?
Yeah, so far naman ay nagbibid
No, so
naman.
that's good news.
Yeah.
That's good news, no? Kasi I just putting myself in the place, di ba, na maliit ang ang 8 to 12% na 8 to 10 Kasi if you put it in bonds, wala kang problema. Magkano naman ngayon bonds Sequin? Mga 8?
Walang mga 3, 4.
Hindi, yung mga long term, parang 6 to...
For
T-bills,
T-bills, about
T-bills.
3/4, yeah. Government.
T-bills,
Government.
mga 8%.
Yeah. I think, pag private siguro, pag private.
Private.
6, 7. Yeah.
O sige, lagay mo na sa 6%, 6%, nandiyan pera mo, walang problema. So sa 8%, okay yan kung yung project at makakasingil ka in 6 months to 12 months. Pero yung 8%, kung 2 years yung project mo, lugi ka pa sa cost of money mo or sa opportunity cost. Di ba? So, ang point ko doon, Kung walang manghihingi ngayon sa contractor, no problem. Pero kung manghihingi from a possible barangay captain na ayaw pa umpisahan yung project to the congressman or to a secretary to a senator, kung totoong 10% na lang kita mo, hiningan ka pa ng 5%, wala nang gagawa. Di ba? So, again, Sec. Vince, I'm for it. I'm for kung tanggalin lahat ng SOP, tanggalin lahat ng kita. Di ba? But having said that, to do that, there are certain things we have to do. It's most unpopular now, but I'll say it, It's most unpopular now. Pag nilinis nyo yung DPWH, dapat taasan mo sweldo ng mga engineers, architects, at mga tao. Kasi kung hindi, magpa-private lahat yan. Diba? I mean, yung walang pamilya siguro, talagang mahal na mahal lang yung bayan, pero marami tayong nurse, mahal nila ang bayan, pero nasa abroad eh. So anyway, Sequin, thank you very much for this opportunity. I hope I'm able to contribute.
Senator Alan. So always say,
JB, thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Sen. Alan. Marami kaming natututo sa inyo every time you interpolate, and I'm sure the department is...
For the record, ngayon lang naman ako nagtagal.
Yes, but marami kaming natututunan. Thank you. Maraming salamat, Senator Alan.
Session suspended.
There being no other reservation for interpolation, I move to close the period of interpolation on the budget of the Department of Public Works and Highways, Office of the Secretary, and that the same be deemed submitted for the body's consideration.
There's a motion by the majority leader to close the period of interpolation and to deem submitted the budget of the Department of Public Works and Highways, and it's attached. Is there objection? There being none, motion is approved.
Mr. President, I move that we suspend consideration of House Bill number 4058.
Is there objection? There being none, motion is approved.
Mr. President, I move that we suspend session until 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Wednesday, November 26, 2025.
Is there objection? There being none, session suspended until 1 o'clock in the afternoon of November
26.
November 26, 2025.